Okay, so here we got a Nintendo 3DS XL, and, well, mine, this is Andrew's, so mine, got broken. For some reason, the top and the bottom, got broken, so I got a 2DS, but my 3DS, which we finally decided to get rid of, is outside here being destroyed. Here are the missing parts. Yeah.
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah. Okay, so Andrew, look at this. So this is, he's trying to do the bottom. I did the top. As you can see, it's already gone.
Yeah, this one's harder.
Yeah, it's harder because it's
Like,
more
look
bulky.
at this. What? Wait, I think I broke it more.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, there's some oil on the ground or something.
Oh, that's cool. I'm going to do it again.
Oh, a piece flew off. Holy crap. Use your orange belt.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, God. What is in there?
I don't know, just green stuff.
Greens? Oh, come on. Stupid. Why don't they make a green one? I have no idea what that is. I don't know. There's something liquidy down here on the floor.
Okay, I'm going to do it again.
Oh, dude, this metal part fell out.
Time to do the mods.
Put all the pieces on this table.
Okay, I'm going to do it again.
Yeah, finally getting rid of this thing.
Yeah. Wait, how long have you had this?
I don't know. I remember it was actually started being broken, like, I don't know, a couple years ago, like on New Year's Eve.
This is good exercise.
Yeah, I know. Gosh.
I mean, I think it is.
There's some parts on the ground.
Pick those up.
Holy crap. Oh, God.
Time
Okay.
to put this in the water.
Out of the water. Okay. Andrew, wait. Let me get... What? I already did.
Oh, dude.
Andrew already did.
Dude, one of the buttons are already off.
Oh, one of the buttons are gone.
Like the start, home, select.
The start button.
Those are already off. Wait, I got an idea.
What's
Wait,
your
watch out.
brilliant plan idea? Yep. It's a good idea. Coming from Andrew.
It's way harder to break.
I know. Well, you were the one who wanted to do the bottom because it had buttons on it and it was like more better. Get all that water off of it. Look out for the ants. Don't crush it.
Ooh, I think this is better.
Ooh, I got an idea. Andrew, I got an idea. Okay, wait. Hold the iPad.
My hands are kind of wet.
It's okay.
I'm holding them. My hands are in the way. Oh, you're riding over it.
Scooter. Be careful. Oh, I got it.
I don't think so, Nathan. Nathan, I don't think you should use the covers. Okay, you hold it. My hands are in the way.
Wait, let me see that for a sec. Got it.
Wait, what is that?
No idea. Okay, it's all yours.
Alright.
Pick up some more pieces. This cord thingy. Jigger.
Oh!
This thing. What? Oh, yeah. It's totally... Hey, look at that. Let's put that, here.
Ooh.
Yeah. We're good. Oh, I think one part flew off into the garden. Oh! Sorry that we didn't really put the camera on of me destroying it because we kind of weren't really thinking about it back then. Okay.
The glass won't break.
Oh yeah, my glass broke. Like, The top part is definitely much more easy to break.
Oh, totally.
Totally. You wanted more of a workout because I'm like fat and lazy. So. Yeah.
Not that.
Okay. Anyway, so some more pieces onto the scooter. What are you doing now? And then the pool again.
Oh, Nathan, I think the glass is kind of broken a little bit. Like, do you see right here?
Yeah. You can see there's water in it.
Yeah. This is so fun.
Tell me about it.
I wish your mom still had that playscape, that little playscape.
I know, we can still destroy that.
Why'd she get rid of that?
I think she wanted to sell it to someone, but
Maybe when Caitlin and Julian grow up, you can ask them to their dollhouse.
whatever.
Or maybe we'll be too old. I don't know.
Okay, so
The title
it's pretty much destroyed, isn't it? Oh, there's some more pieces down here. Oh, this
The
is
title-
plastic.
The title should say what the inside of a 3DS looks like.
Yeah, let's do that. Is this a piece? No, this is not a piece. Look at this. Just look at this. Destruction. Yeah, this is what is inside of a 3DS. Yeah. Oh, this is fun.
Kind of.
Fun.
Ooh.
Oh, that part fell off. Let me see that. Yeah. Okay, that's not gonna do anything. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah. Holy crap! You are going to.
Oh,
The
2 buttons
system.
are off now.
2 buttons. Let me see here. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You're gonna get the A buttons off. There's pretty much no more of this, but I'm gonna go set this up.
Yeah,
See
that's
here.
nice.
There are these pieces of broken sharp things on the patio. I'm going to need to sweep it, Nathan.
Ooh.
You're going to have to sweep this
Look
patio.
what happened. Do you see the glass that's kind of like popping out?
Oh yeah. Wait, can you see? No, not that good.
Yeah, I know.
Let me see if this is
I'm gonna go put these in water.
again. Okay, I think that's good. Can you guys see me from here? So I got this part, the back. It's totally demolished. Okay. Yeah. Good. Oh. Also, here's the battery. So a battery, of course. Andrew put it in water. Here's this part. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Still recording.
Yeah, it's up there.
Whatever.
I think we should end this soon.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just put this. So yeah, Andrew, put that on the table.
Hold on.
Yep, just do it. Okay, put it on the table. So this, wait, let's turn it around, is what is inside of a 3DS XL. Hopefully you guys like this video. Sorry, it was like 8 minutes. But
What? It was 8 minutes?
yeah.
What?
Okay, so see you guys on the next Nate 10 Drew 81 16 video, and see you guys next time.